Hi, the children. What is this? A chicken. Everyone, I would like to introduce you. This is not just an ordinary chicken. Hindi basta-basta nga ako niya chicken. My chicken is imported because this is came from the place of Canada. And you know what, guys? The name of my chicken. You say hi to Nor. Hi, Nor. No more cubes. And you know what, children? Si Nor is my talent. Hap, hap! Watch closely. Ang first na talent ni Nor, kaya ko patihon. Are you ready? Here we go. Watch closely, guys. The talent of my chicken. 1 year of practice. Watch closely. Ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Nor. Nor. Ato ba? Wala pa na rin. Ato ba? Wait, one more. Nor! Atubang! Very clap your hands, guys. There we go. What a very talented chicken. Happy up! Anong ginliso? Joke lang. Ariyan totoo na talent sa akong na chicken. 5 years tinamon yung practice. Watch closely, guys. Here we go. The talent of my chicken. 5 years of practice. Watch those kids. Hop, hop! There we go. Nor. Sit down. Very good. Stand up. Oh, very good. One more. Sit down. Everybody clap your hands, guys. Okay, hop, hop! Do you want more? I can hear you. Do you want more? No more. Everybody clap your hands, guys. Here we go. Music myself.
Put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging. I'm riding high, now a king, man at the heart of I want to live, want me there, easy going, come on, leave it at me, go down, come on, but I'm missing. I don't want to lose you. I'm begging you. Put your love out, baby. I'm begging. What's good, Lord? I need you. Try so hard to be. Only thing that I empty shell, broken man. Yeah, I'm begging you. I'm finding hard. Just can't make it all alone.
Happy birthday!
I'm begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you. Put your loving hand out.
Okay, so children, hap hap! Good. Do you want more? This time for my next trick, let's learn about color and signs. Are you ready? As a music partner. So everyone, what color is this? Children, what color is this? How about this one? How about this one? What about this one? So children, listen carefully. Red, yellow, and blue are the primary colors, and they are considered as the mother of all colors. Here we go. Watch closely, guys. Closely, children. Combining these three colors, we can make a rainbow of colors. Everybody say rainbow. But before I make a rainbow of colors, I will make these three colors disappear. Tulaon ko siya. Everybody shout magic! One more time, shout magic! There we go. Do you want more? I will be needing a volunteer. Gusto ko ang iso-iso. Who wants to volunteer? Bata man. Who wants to volunteer? Here we go. Come in. Who wants to volunteer? Who wants to volunteer? Give me. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? Sino pwede? Dali, ikaw. Baskog niya. Hello, sir. Ito tinihil ka ga. Dati mo yung hapon. Ano ang pangalan? What is your name? Ha?
Kifort.
Lucky siya. Kifort, right? Fort. Fort, how old are you? 5 ka na? Ka-school ikaw? Kung ka-school ikaw, what do you want to become someday when you grow up? Magkako ka, ano gusto mo maging?
YouTuber.
Ha?
YouTuber.
What?
YouTuber.
Ang YouTuber, ay ko YouTuber. So this time, mamajig na nga gawa. Are you ready? Okay, so this time, let's learn about English and science. Let me ask you, Kuya, ano sa English ang manok?
Chicken.
Louder.
Chicken.
Everybody clap your hands. How about baboy?
Pig.
Everybody clap your hands to this one. How about pag may ginagamit ni Mama? Ano naman sa English ang kaldero?
Chicken. Rice cooker.
Rice cooker. Check. Check, check. Check 1, 2, 3. Sino ba tani? Ay mo na sila. Ano? Check. So this time, mamajig na kagawa. Are you ready? Everyone, let me ask you, ano ang pambansang puno? Yes, ma'am. Louder! Anong marang? Kuya, you say it louder. Kung Nara is our Philippine tree, can you give me another example of a tree aside from Nara tree? Ay, Christmas tree na lang. Okay, so mamajig na kagawa. Are you ready? So this time, mamajig. Sino kakita rabbit sa inyo, children? Sino kakita rabbit? I will produce a rabbit, but I will make this volunteer fly. Palupadon ko siya. Are you ready? Everybody shout fly! One more time, shout fly! There we go. Don't try this at home. It's very dangerous, okay? Here we go. So much ito doon. Okay. Ba't nag-give him a prize? Napari yung mga yung prize mo. Sa tanong yung sugar report na. Iyan gusto maglungkat. Basta ako malungkat yun. Ibalik lang yan sa volunteer, guys. Yun. Sino pwede ko volunteer? Ma-produce rabbit. Sino pwede? Are. Kami. Ma-produce rabbit. Kami. Ibalik lang your hands to this point. Ay, sorry. There we go. Shout fly! Children, everybody shout rabbit!